Alexa, play Last. Definitely get one of those. Makes your life a lot easier getting ready in the morning. I know you just can't wait to go outside. Be free, go do your thing. Alright, good morning guys. I know this is a little bit of a different video for you, but as you can tell, this is going to be a little vlog. So if you don't know, new to the channel, or new to the channel, I'm a Marine, so last night, I currently work night crew, but last night we got off early, and it's because we're notified that we're going to be doing an all hands. So when I say all hands, I mean everybody from day crew and night crew guys, we're all going to get together, have some camaraderie. We're going to go to a local minor league baseball game, and this is going to be like my second all-time baseball game ever going to. So I'm not a big baseball fan, don't hate me, I just could never get into the sport as a kid. And then also we tried going to like a Major League Baseball game itself, and I still couldn't get into it. So nothing personal, just something that didn't draw my interest, but I'm older now, and it's kind of like a mandatory thing that we have to go and do. So the military likes to do the mandatory fun type of things. But it's good, it'll raise camaraderie around the unit, and just boost everybody's morale. We've been working a lot lately, so this is a good opportunity. They bought a big section of the baseball park out to so we can buy discounted tickets and everything like that. So that being said, just got done getting ready, and I'm headed to the gym actually, and then after that I'm stopping in at work a little later on today, doing a couple briefings, stuff like that, and then we're heading out to the baseball game. So hopefully today should be fun, hopefully take you guys along with me. This is way too early for me to be up. Probably gonna have a crap workout, but you know what? Still gotta do it because I'm not gonna be able to go later. Alright, what's up guys? Just finished up arms. I like to call it Armageddon. Friday, good way to get your nice little pump in before the weekend. And finished off with a good old 1.5 mile run because I have a fitness test coming up in May for the Marine Corps, which I have to pass. So go home, shower, and we'll chill out for the rest of the time before I go back to work. Gotta make sure we hit the anabolic window. So they say it's between half an hour to an hour, or up to an hour of after your workout to get your proteins in. So I'm about to show you guys what I use. Not sponsored or anything, this is just my personal preference right now. So right now I'm currently trying to maintain muscle mass but lose body fat. So right now I am using Optimum Nutrition, right? And this is their whey protein, chocolate flavor. Can never go wrong with chocolate. And then I also have a side thing called BioGrow. This is also made by Asatori. If you look up here, I don't know if I still have it or not. Yeah, so Asatori, they used to make a protein I loved. It actually had the BioGrow and protein in it. And it's called HyperGrow. This stuff was awesome, really worked, but unfortunately I can't find it anymore. And when I look online, they're always sold out. So this is the substitute. I bought both of these at GNC, so they're both at a GNC near you. Go ahead and pick one up. And I also have some creatine once I get back to bulking. And yes, I did do a fasted workout. Fasted meaning I didn't eat anything in the morning, went straight to the gym. Alright, it's using your fat as energy, not anything that you've intake during like food and everything like that. So that's a plus if you want to try to lose some weight. It's a good way to do it. Fasted cardio, fasted working out. That in conjunction, working out and running, that's the best way you're going to use to go lose weight. The more muscle mass you have, the more energy you have to use, the more calories you'll burn. So that's a good rule of thumb. And this is just what I do. Like I said, I've been doing this for a while now, honestly. Those who know me personally, you know I'm a small person. Small meaning like I'm Filipino, so if I don't work out whatever, I can genetically get a lot smaller a lot quicker than most people. The Filipino comes out and like I shrink. But it hasn't been the case lately, so I think my metabolism has slowly been catching up. And everybody's different, so you gotta fine tune to your body and see what you guys like. But yeah, there you go. That's what 25 grams of protein looks like. I'm gonna go ahead down this, take my shower, and kind of chill out till 2 o'clock because it's currently 10 o'clock. and at 2 o'clock we got that meeting for work. I realized I'm pretty hungry, and I'm gonna beat the lunch crowd, and I'm gonna go grab some Panda Express. So it's not the healthiest thing, but it is healthier than Taco Bell, Burger King, and the other stuff they have on base. So go pick up some Panda Express, show you guys what I get. It's not much, but it's home. Got my Panda. This is what I get 99% of the time. I've only ordered one other thing one other time. But you get your beef and broccoli. We go 50-50, so we go half and half chow mein, half and half fried rice. And then there's also orange chicken hiding in here. There it is. Very yummy. And not as bad for you as other fast food restaurants. So I'm gonna go ahead, chow down, and take a nap. Yeah, see you soon. 1:20, time to get ready. Worst part of the day is putting on boots. Get mighty uncomfortable pretty quick. And on a side note, there's a new song out there called Caterpillar by, I believe it's Eminem and Royce da 5'9". Never heard of him, but currently listening to it right now. So I don't know if you guys like it, heard it before. Comment down below what you guys think. So yeah, off to work though. So I'm actually leaving pretty early to go to work because I'm pretty tired. Woke up a lot earlier than I'm used to. Hit the gym and all that stuff, as you guys already saw. So I'm gonna leave here early, get some food, some drinks from the gas station, kind of keep myself awake during these future briefs I'm about to be going to, sitting through, and quite frankly, and try not to fall asleep. So I'll probably go grab a Slim Jim, grab some water, grab some stuff, stay awake, and then just count down the hours till it's time to go catch that baseball game. It's always good to leave early, you know, on a professional standpoint, and just being a generally good person. Like, say you meet up with friends, you don't want to be that guy that everyone's waiting on. Never fun. What a bummer they did not have snacks I usually get, which are some Slim Jim, the spicy Tabasco ones. They didn't have them, so I ended up just getting water. But hopefully this brief isn't too long, and we'll be out there in no time. Alright, finally made it home, and I can actually tell you guys what we actually gone over on that little brief we had. It wasn't really a brief, it was more of a class on Marine Corps history and like just kind of traditions. It's something we pride ourselves in. So what we went over is the Battle of Beowulf. If you guys are unfamiliar with that, it's one of the World War I's battles between France and Germany. So Germany was trying to push over to invade Paris, and one of the last little strong fronts that French had was Beowulf. And unfortunately they were pretty much outnumbered, everything, they needed help, so they sent the Marine Corps in, and we took care of business. Heavy casualties. It's one of the biggest ones that we've had for that war itself. A lot more devastation in World War II and everything, but World War I is big because they started mustard gas, they had tanks, they had a whole bunch of new weapons and stuff that nobody else knew about. So that was all getting introduced into these wars nowadays. But Battle of Beowulf, it's important because that is coming up in June. So June 2nd to the 26th, I believe that's what the battle was from. So it'll be interesting to see what President Trump does, and I don't know, what does Paris have? Do they have presidents? What do they have? I know they have democracy, so I'm sure they have a president or something of that sort. So it'd be cool to kind of see what they do. I know in the past they had a Beowulf tree planted on the White House grounds. So there's a picture of Trump and France's president planting that. So that's pretty cool. It's on US soil ground. But if you ever get the chance and you're a history buff or anything like that, go ahead, look up the Battle of Beowulf, and you guys will be amazed on everything that happens throughout that little battle. So we also got the term devil dog from there, so Treffelhunden, and that's because how ruthless the Marines were. It was found in multiple German soldiers, little notes and everything, that, hey, these Americans are crazy, they're here to kill everybody and every little thing. So it's pretty cool to know that's our history, and it's kind of nice to reflect on and kind of know where your roots are, because nowadays when it's peacetime and everything, it's kind of hard to see what our ambitions were, where we came from and stuff like that. So just, it's good to reflect every once in a while where you came from, whether it be military, where you're from personally, or where you're going. So other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get changed over, relax a little bit, because that was only like an hour So yay, only an hour of work on a Friday. Can't beat that. But yeah, I'm gonna get changed over, relax for a little bit, pick up Bryson, pick up Heather, and then we're bouncing out to this baseball game. All right, as promised, I told you guys I'd catch you up once I got Heather and Bryson. There's Heather. Bryson's back there. I can't really tell if he's sleeping or not, but it's nap time. Hopefully he is, and he's all charged up, ready to go for the baseball game. So we're going. Go Jayhawks.
And I'm feeling
Alright, well, we didn't end up staying for the whole game, but we did stay till, I want to say, the bottom of the ninth, or sorry, the top of the ninth. And they were winning. I think it was like 5-6, so it was a good turnout. Majority of the time we just spent in the little kid area with Bryson and everything. I didn't get to show you guys, but it was pretty cool. Just an experience, camaraderie, got to hang out with other Marines that we know. There's I mean, I thought it was good. I wouldn't go personally for the game, but just the atmosphere and hanging out with everybody, that was fun. So, what'd you think?
It was fun hanging out with everybody.
Yeah, so we're all parents now, which is crazy.